Yo, what's good, guys? You know who it is, Joel El Tico. Nah, just kidding, Joel El Tico. You know, I'm wearing my Costa Rican jersey representing. What's up, viva la Cele. Anyways, today I'm going to discuss why I think Apple stock is going to hit $400 and how you guys can make some extra money if this happens. So stay tuned, guys. This is going to be a great video. Let's get it. So I've been trading Apple for the last 2 weeks. I've been buying calls, and so far I've been up profiting maybe like $2,500 the past 2 weeks. My goal is to build my account to like 10K by the end of this month. So I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can make some extra money too if Apple keeps rising. So let's get it, guys. So there's articles out there that says that Apple is switching to its own processors by the end of this year. This news was released maybe like around, I think it was today, but there been rumors going on for like weeks now. So with this articles coming out, today's June 22nd, and we see right here that Apple went up $9.50 and it's up $1.43 after hours. Like like right now it's like maybe like 3 in the afternoon. I'm in Washington State, so I don't know, by the time you see this video maybe it's gonna go up even more. So that's why I'm making this video. So people are buying Apple stock now because people see that Apple will have more control over their own products, and they will be cutting the the other manufacturers, and then focusing on their own Macs and stuff. So this shows how people been buying after this news, because obviously Apple will have more control over the products. You see after this news, people are buying more of the Apple stock, and then the prices just keeps going up. I mean, it makes sense because it shows how Apple is taking control of their own products. So I believe it's really amazing, and then I mean, it's a good buy for right now, I guess. Also, this coming fall, Apple is planning to release other products, which includes iPhone 12, Apple Watch Series 6, HomePod, high-end over-ear headphones, and a lower-cost iPad. And you guys know how much we love Apple products. Me, myself, I have the iPhone, I got the the MacBook. We just love my Apple products, and all these new releases, then this is just gonna shoot up the stock even more. That's just my opinion, by the way. So with all this good news, it's kind of clear that Apple is gonna keep pushing up, and then especially as as the earnings come out, and then also when these products come out. So yeah, that's why I believe that Apple is gonna keep going up. So why should you care, you might ask, or how can I make some money with this news, right? So this is why I'm gonna show you guys right now. Just to let you guys know, I am no financial expert or anything like that. This is just my opinion. This is what I think, and I just want to share it with you guys so you guys can make your own decision. So yeah, let's get it. You could either buy stocks of Apple at $360 per share, or even more, because it might go up even more. Or you can do what I do. You can buy some call options on Apple. What are options, you might ask? I actually have a video kind of explaining a little bit about this subject, so I am gonna link it right here. You guys can just check it out and then come back to this video. I'm just gonna give a basic explanation real quick. I'm gonna try my best to explain. I'm really bad at explaining stuff, guys, so bear with me. Option contracts is basically the right to buy or sell an individual stock at a specific price on a specific date. So you got the right but not the obligation. So that means you can make more money. Let's just say that. There's a strategy that I use that is called call options. So what it means is that I'm betting on that specific stock that is gonna go either up or down. A call option is I'm betting that it's gonna go up, and then a put option, I am betting that it's gonna go down. But right now we're focusing on going up, so we're gonna focus on calls. So I'm gonna show you guys how to buy an Apple call if you guys are interested in this. So we're right here at the back end of my WeBull account. You guys can see this the ticker for Apple, AAPL, 358.87, and after hours of 361. As you guys can see the chart right here, it just keeps going up. and this is my watch list. We're not gonna worry about it right now. So what we're focusing on is getting you guys into buying a call option on Apple. So right here, but first of all, you guys have to register for options trading, and WeBull is really easy. Or if you guys are using Robinhood, it's also really easy. It should take no more than a minute to do the registration. I am not going to go over it because I'm not focusing on that in this video. But I mean, you guys can just YouTube it, Google it, or whatever. It's really easy. It should be on the settings, and then apply for option trading. So if you guys already have an options account, you guys go on options. You go to show. So right here, remember the top date is the expiration date. So if I was you guys, for my opinion, I will get a expiration date that expires like later this later this year, because Apple is just gonna we don't really know the specific dates for the releases for the stuffs for the products. So we're just gonna go maybe to like January 21. We're gonna give it like really long time. We're just gonna go strike prices. We're gonna go all, and we're gonna focus on the calls. Remember, guys, we're focusing on the calls because we want Apple to go up. So we're gonna scroll down. This right here is called the strike price. That price means that that's the price that you betting the stock will go for, either to that price or of more, that price. So we're gonna go maybe to Apple is trading at 358, so it should be around obviously above 350, like 358. So I will probably get maybe like a 360, a 359 or 360 call. It might be a little expensive because it's to like next year, and then also it's really close to the money. Close to the money meaning that's the price that is trading for right now. But if I'm telling you, if you might make more money because than actually buying the stocks, because on the stocks you only make it the capital gains, and then maybe the dividends. I don't know if Apple paying dividends or not, but with the options, it's the profitability. It's let me rephrase that. You can't really say how much you're gonna make, but you know how much you're gonna lose. So I probably it will get like a 360. So we see right here the Apple. We see how much it's trading for, and then right here is the strike price. So we want to go above 358. So maybe like a 360, or you guys can do all the way to like 400. Like I say, I really think it's gonna go to 400 or beyond 400. I don't know when, but I know it's gonna hit it. So we can just get we can just go in the middle. Maybe do a 380 call. That means that we want Apple to go to $380 or above the price. So we go right here, the ask and the bid. It means the bid is how much they're selling the contract for, and the ask is how much they're asking for it. So we click on it, and you guys can see right here on the side it says buy. You click on buy. Limit is the limit price you're willing to pay. Contracts, depending on how many contracts you want to do. Each contract you controlling 100 shares of that specific stock. So if you're a beginner, I recommend you to do one, but it depends how much money you want to spend and all that. So we see right here that it's $24 per share, but remember it's $100. I'm sorry, I'm a little tired right now, but it's 100 shares. So you have to multiply that times 100. So you can do it. One contract for $2,400, right? $2,400. You see the premium pay. That means how much you're gonna pay for that. Almost 25. And then right here it shows you that, like, if anything, if let's say Apple performs really bad, which I doubt it, but you never know what the stock market's gonna do. the more you're gonna know that you're gonna lose is 2,485 cents. But check this out, the max profit unlimited. And then Apple, what if Apple goes to 500, 600, 700? You never know. Just check it out what happened with Tesla. Tesla was trading like at 200 last year, like maybe like in June, July last year or whatever. I don't really remember, but and then all of a sudden it's now trading like in $1,000 a share. So you never know, guys. You know, companies like this, anything's possible. But all right, so what you're gonna do is, you know, you make sure it's a buy limit, and then you put the price that you want to pay. I usually recommend just if you want to just get in the trade as soon as possible, you just leave the price that they give you right there. Timing force date means that they're gonna put that a specific you order in the day that the market is open. Right now the market is closed, but if you do that tomorrow, then they will put that when the market is open. And then you just go place order. That's it, guys. That's all you gotta do. So I'm gonna go right here in the back end in my account, and I'm gonna show you guys all the positions that I got on Apple. Right here I had 3 positions in Apple right here, right? I got a 365 for November call, and I also got a 350 call for July 20th. Both are this year. And I also got a 352.50 put on Apple. I bought the put just in case anything happens. We might have another crash in the market or whatever happens. You never know. So this is just a little insurance just in case anything goes sideways. But you see, like, I might be negative almost $300, but with my other 2 positions right here, that's even it covers my losses. So even if I lose all my money, which I only will lose like 500, I will still be up like $1,000. So this is how much I'm profiting right now in these 2 positions, and it shows the Apple it's a good buy right now. Like I said, this is my opinion. I'm just sharing with you guys, and you guys can do whatever you guys want with it. But I just want to show you the back end. So yeah, guys, that's all I got for today. I just want to share that real quick with you guys. Like I said, I'm sorry if you guys didn't understand. Like I said, I'm really bad explaining, and as you guys can see, like, I'm new at this YouTube stuff, so bear with me, guys. But I had to make this video because I don't want you guys to miss out. I see that I seen profits with Apple so far. I'm up almost in total like 4K the past 2 weeks with Apple. You guys can do that too. I want you guys to eat too. We all can eat. That's my whole goal with this YouTube channel. I don't want to be selfish. I want you guys to succeed too. But if you guys appreciate this video, please leave it, subscribe, and then like this video, please. That will help me out a lot. I put a lot of work and effort, a lot of research. So please, guys, that's all I ask. Please just stab that like button, please, and just subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat at Joel El Tico. Hey, and if you guys get in the trades, let me know, because I wanna know if you guys make profit too. Like, when people hit me up telling me that they make profits and stuff, it makes me excited and then so happy to see that you guys are winning too. So yeah, share it with me, guys. Come on, don't be selfish. Anyways, yeah, guys, please subscribe, like this video, and then peace out, guys. I'll be coming up with more knowledge. And then, yeah, guys, so thank you for watching. Stay safe, guys. See you in the next video. Oh, hey, oh, hey, oh.